How to convert the BTC to USDT on Bitget. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to convert the BTC to USDT using the Bitget application, you have come to the right place. So first and foremost, launch the application and log in using your credentials. Once that is done, tap on the square box which is on the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on the square box, it should take you to this page. From here, you can quick access the convert button, or you could scroll down to find it on the popular section as well. Tapping on it, you will land to this page. Now first of all, tap on the From section and on the drop down menu. Then after, select BTC on the From section. Now that you have chosen it, tap on the To section and on the drop down menu. Choose USDT. Next up, enter the amount of BTC you would like to convert to USDT. Now that you have done so, tap on the preview button and it will take you to another page telling you about the details of conversion. So after you have previewed it, you can confirm by tapping on the convert button. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.